What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out this new free project sample that Unreal Engine has dropped out, and it is this Castle RTS. It will be free in the marketplace, so I'll be linking it below. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So as you can see, as I press play, it is a really cool top-down Castle RTS where you can go ahead and just kind of send your villagers to do stuff and expand your village and so on. You have this really cool procedurally generated island, and of course everything that you see, you have it, all the code, all the assets, everything. And it's actually pretty fun to do. Like, you can do a lot of cool stuff. You can build some cool stuff too. So let me go ahead and just, for example, just place this over here, and then I guess they will start to build it, and you can just go ahead and drag guys and say to do stuff. For example, now this guy will be going there. So I go use set fade, as you can see, like this. I love the animations, I love the assets, I love the style of it. It is super cool. So the first thing of all is the island. Now the island is procedurally generated at the start of the game, and as you can see, it will be in the plugins folder because they have made this procedural island generation into a plugin, so you can easily just go ahead and use it in your own project. So you can see here island generator, and we have the blueprint itself, so you can open this up, and this basically uses the geometry script plugin, and it is really cool. As you can see, if I were to disable this node over here, you can see how it's building this kind of cones, I guess we would say, and then it basically just joins them together, and then also just cuts the plane in half, so you will basically get with this very smooth island. Okay, so it's basically using this geometry nodes in order to create this awesome island. So you can go ahead and use it in your project too. It's an easy plugin that you can just go ahead and just export. So that's really cool. And of course this picked with a random seed outside of the game, so every time will be different. Now of course this game has a save and load system, so if you load back your game, as I did, everything will be saved and it will be in its place, and the island will be the same. But if I were to start a new game from the start, well, that will of course go ahead and change. So the coolest thing about everything is of course they have access to all the assets. So for example, all the type of villagers with all the animations, you can see like this, so cool, sounds, footsteps, everything. Like, it is honestly amazing. We can see also the environment, but you can get all of the crops, and I love this style of it. All the buildings, and you can see how slowly it builds up. Also, it's super cool, and of course they are pretty high quality because, well, here we're using nanite, so we can have a lot of triangles but display them and display them very high quality but with a very smooth performance. So that's really good. As you can see, they also have a main menu, so let's go. Let me just don't save, which looks pretty cool. And again, it's just this island, Cropout, continue new game, against continue, translation. It has this whole loading screen system too, which you can use, and it is amazing. And also the foliage and everything is spawned from the nav mesh bounce volume, so we'll pick some valid points, put them, and so on. Everything on that type is managed on by the game mode. So the game mode will decide once the island has been generated, let's spawn something. So we can check that out. Let's just go ahead and open the game mode, and there you go. You can see all this stuff here. So the gameplay, it will just initialize some stuff, get the loading screen out, and then go ahead and wait until the island generation is complete. And once it's complete, it will basically start to spawn all the interactables and the crops and whatever, right? And the music, load the villagers, pim, everything, right? Add the UI to the screen and so on. So really the game mode is what is in charge of getting the game up and running at the beginning. So that's great. Everything is very well managed. You can learn a lot from this project. I really recommend checking it out. And also, look, you will have all the blueprints, all the assets that you can use in your own games. So that's always a plus. Like, that's crazy. You can even see the whole player system, the whole movement to get this top-down thing. It's really amazing. I love the graphics itself. Like, everything just feels super cool, and honestly, definitely check this out. So it will be free in the description. It's a marketplace asset, so just go ahead and check it out. So if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members for awesome benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.